welcome back to my channel. The college season has officially begun after the pandemic and gradually things are getting better and taking its own pace. The question what to wear always remains the same. So here is my take on this video of college outfits. I'll be including all the trendiest clothing essentials, which is the most important part. So I listed out few items that every college going girl should have. That's it, then let's start. Jeans is one of the greatest staple piece in the wardrobe, and the craze for wide leg jeans is unbeatable. It can be styled with crop shirts, crop tops, cardigans. In first, I styled it with a cute crop cardigan, and the look is so pleasing and comfortable. Always accessorize yourself a little bit to stand out in public. Now for second look, I styled a bold crop shirt with the jeans, and the look is so normal but terrific. Add a comfortable platform boots for college. Now our second most priority is a graphic t-shirt, which is one of the trendiest piece to style. In first, I styled it with a skirt for giving it a girly girl vibe. The look is so airy, breezy and comfortable yet stylish. This second look is specially for tomboy. A graphic t-shirt with joggers is so cool and stylish. One of the most comfortable look to carry. Also added a denim jacket for that funky look. You can always play around with different prints and vibrant colors. Denim jacket is the versatile piece to style in any season. In first, I styled a high-neck dress with this cropped denim jacket. This look is so beautiful and my personal favorite to carry. Added knee-high warm socks, which is perfect for winter season. So casual but astonishing at the same time. Tank tops are so easy to style with anything. These are evergreen piece to style. So I styled this basic tank top with a black denim jacket. The whole look is so bold and energetic. Must try outfit because it is so elegant and simple. Added a black straight leg pants for giving that monochromatic touch. I don't know why people don't talk much about palazzo pants, but it is so simple to style with anything and at any time. I styled a sleeveless kurta with these and added a mesh top underneath, so appropriate look for college as well as for office. You can always add sleek heels and a jute bag for completing the look. Shrugs are so easy to style with palazzo pants, and the layering is always smart and fashionable. You can always play around with prints and the look is so chic. This outfit is so appropriate whenever you are running out of time. Always accessorize yourself with some jewelry and cinch your waist with a good belt for giving that well-defined look. Now, if we talk about dresses, basic dresses are so important to have in your wardrobe.
It can be dressed up, dressed down, according to our need. I have played around with hair accessory like headband to make the look more interesting. I have layered a simple basic black tee, and you can always replace this with a turtleneck. You can always layer an oversized shirt to give a cool and funky look. Keep it classic and easy with a backpack. I have also played around with the hair to achieve this delightful look, and the look is so simple and stylish. Grab an oversized shirt from your brother's or father's wardrobe and you're good to go.
So that's it for the video. I enjoyed so much while filming this and I hope you also did. But it was quite challenging too because it was my first time ever I shot outside. It was quite embarrassing at certain moments but definitely enjoyed while filming this. So with that, I'll take your leave. I hope you all loved the video and all my efforts. And if you did, then please leave a comment in the comment section. Do subscribe, like, share because you know the drill and it would mean the world to me. So that's it. I love you all so much. Bye bye.